The birds are so hungry right now. We've been filming the bird feeders every day. They're so hungry. Um, so in the wintertime, they don't have insects or you know, berries to eat, you know. So they rely on bird feed through the winter. So I have some lucky birds. That's just one of the feeders. And I have, sorry you can't see it, suet. There's one there that holds one or two. That one holds two. That one holds one. And then I have this bird feeder here, which has a camera on it. And then I have this one here. It looks like, oh, it still has some in there. So yeah, I feed my birds here.